guys, good morning to you. If you're getting ready for your big 4th of July cookout, you're probably buying a ton of condiments. Well, Imperfect Produce shows us how to make amazing sauces out of what's left over so that nothing goes to waste. Leftover is some mustard. We went ahead and had the Dijon mustard left over, and whether it's the last couple drops in your jar, it's perfect because this can actually make a really good vinaigrette. Start with a small bowl. So you're going to take 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Add in 1 smashed garlic clove along with a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Add in 6 tablespoons of olive oil. Now that's pretty well mixed. All you have to do is add in your parsley and your thyme and salt and pepper to taste. Oh, wow. That's incredible. As we head into prime grilling season, there's nothing like a good homemade barbecue sauce, right? Here's where that leftover ketchup comes into use. And this one's pretty easy. It just takes a few simple ingredients: ketchup, apple cider vinegar, syrup, Worcestershire sauce, and some chipotle peppers and adobo, and some butter. You're gonna use about a ½ cup of ketchup. We're really on our last leg here, but no ketchup should go to waste. Put all the ingredients into a food processor or blender. Finally, simmer for about 2 minutes in a small saucepan. Let's go ahead and try it. Oh my goodness. That has the spicy, the sweet, the tangy, everything that you would love in any barbecue sauce. All right, guys, and finally, don't throw away that pickle juice. It actually makes a pretty good marinade for any meat or vegetable. A foolproof way to put it to use is as a chicken brine. So I'll have all of these recipes posted online at abc13.com, as well as shared on my social media pages. And speaking of, Tom, I know you're wondering, where's your taste test, right? Well, here we go. Here's the chipotle maple barbecue sauce, as well as our vinaigrette. Join me on my Facebook page at 7 a.m. Tom and Erica and Colin, whoever wants to try it this morning, we're going to put it to the test, and they're going to be honest.
Okay, this better be good.
Can we get someone to order barbecue in here, too?
We'll rush to the newsroom to try our tasting. Right.